Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. It's hot as all get up, y'all. All get up is hot. But listen, guys, today I want to take on Leadfarmer73 on this challenge of cooking outside. Now, let me say, Led, I'm cooking one part of my meal outside, okay? But some of this meal, I have already prepared it in the house. It's my lunch. Yeah, Jaydah and I, this is our lunch. But so I'm gonna share what I'm gonna do out here, okay? But anyway, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Ah, let's get on with the video. So this is one of my little hurricane stove, right? So she been sitting in the garage. That's her, y'all. That's her. Runs by propane. That's my propane down here. I'm gonna get her and put it up here. Let me take her out, and I will share with you all what we gonna cook today, y'all. What we gonna cook today. I also have some of these little warmers, and these are I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Wait a minute here. Yeah, I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. I have a bunch of them. Bunch. Yeah, so I keep them for hurricanes because, yeah, that's where I live. That's where I live. So I'm going to share with you all the menu and what we are having for lunch on this gorgeous Saturday morning. So I'm going to get my boy Ben to put up my umbrella for me. So he getting himself together, and he gonna put up the umbrella for us. But I'm gonna share what we're having for lunch and what I'm gonna cook out here too. All right, guys. All right, everyone. So Ben have put up my umbrella for me, and now I'm in the shade. Thank the Lord. So this is my butane fuel. This is what I use to fuel this baby up with, right? So this is the burner. The burner aisles is really big. It's one aisle, but it's really big. Holds very wide. All right, family. So now, as I said, Ben have put my umbrella up, and now I'm in the shade, baby. I'm in the shade. So this is my butane little one aisle stove. So this is the fuel it uses. Yep. And we're gonna cook with this one today. But anyway, this was very inexpensive. I don't know exactly where Jody purchased it from. She purchased it from either Academy or Tractor Supply, but I'm not truly sure. But if you all want to know, I will definitely get her to answer that for me. So anyway, there's a little groove here that matches up with this little thing here. See, now wait now. All right, there we go. So it's in there nicely. And so close that up, and you press. I may have to call my son. All right, so now the fire is on. It's really easy to start. You press this down, turn it all the way on, and it ignites. All right. So today this is salmon and some shrimp. These are seasoned, of course, from my garden. And here is a blend that I mixed up: onion powder, garlic powder, all of that good stuff. All right, let me put her in a skillet. That's a small, one of my small cast irons. All right, so today I'm having my salmon. I'm just gonna flip her over. Wait a minute, y'all. Don't fly. This is my first time cooking salmon outside on this little stove, but you know, I think the only thing that I have cooked on this little stove, we cooked breakfast during one of those hurricanes, I'm not sure, but we cooked some grits and eggs on this little stove. Anyway, guys, yeah. So I'm gonna get her all crispied up and beautiful, and I'll bring you back, okay? All right, y'all, so I've taken my fish out, and of course, these are some shrimp. Gotta have shrimp, right? Yeah, so I saute those a little bit because I'm going to put my fish back, but so here is all of flavorings from my garden. And this is that New Orleans Trinity plus, oh yeah, and family, it smells amazing out here, absolutely amazing. So, I have something on my arm. Butterflies have been flying all over me since I came out here, but I ain't mad at them. Yeah, this is my shrimp. So this is my fish, and I'm gonna put her back in the pan. Look at that thing. Put that little container on it so it won't fly away. I got it. Thank you. That's good. Ah, that's okay. All right. No. So I put everything back, added a little bit more butter, and now I'm going to cover it up so the inside of this fish could be very, very cooked. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, this is our meal. Jaydah's here. Say hello, Jaydah. So this is a great time. You can thank everybody for all their well wishes.
Thank you so much. I saw a lot of the comments. I didn't get to respond, but I saw them. So thank you.
Yeah. So this is our lunch. So I have some salmon, shrimp. Now this is Creole jasmine rice. Where's that box, Mommy?
Oh, right here.
Okay. So this is a rice blend of jasmine, New Orleans, Creole tomatoes, and it's really good. I don't eat it all the time, but I like it every now and then. Went and got a couple flowers for me and Jaydah. I usually don't like bringing my flowers inside, but I thought it was special. So we want to thank you, my baby. We want to thank Leadfarmer73 for the invitation to cook outside. So, you know, living in New Orleans, we always have the opportunity to cook outside. But I thank you so much. So Jaydah and I are going to enjoy our meal. You want to taste your meal before we leave?
Sure.
So we have some fresh green beans. Yay.
I sauteed them.
Yeah, Jaydah cooked these. And the salmon, the shrimp, and yeah, all those great seasonings in this meal. You go get into that salmon?
Yeah. It has some lemon on it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we did put some lemon juice on it. Okay.
This might take a little while, don't worry.
Let me get mine, Jaydah. it's just breaking apart. It's so flaky. All right, there we go. Cheers, my baby.
That's good.
Oh, it's so good. Let's try a shrimp, mommy. Gulf shrimps, y'all. There you go. It's hot.
That's good. Wow. That's good.
That is really good. Let's have a little bit more there. This Creole jasmine rice, y'all. Good. You're gonna hurt somebody with this, man. And the green beans are really good.
The shrimp is so flavorful.
So Jaydah just sauteed the green beans with seasoning and spices. Oh, it's so good. They're still a little al dente, but yeah. No mushy going on here. But it's really good. All right, Larry. Thank you, man. We enjoyed it. You enjoyed it, Jaydah?
100%.
All right, guys. We're going to eat. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend.
Yeah, y'all.
Our mouth is full, y'all.